How to use wireless printing from a computer. First, go to waukeshapubliclibrary.org and click on Wireless Printing in the right-hand menu. Next, click on the orange Select File button to upload the file you need to print. Next, choose your print settings, such as how many copies you need and if it's black and white or color. Please note that the library cannot do duplex printing, so leave this setting on one-sided printing. Here you'll see an estimate of how much your print job will cost. Under User Info, enter your library card number or a unique username, your email address or phone number, and then tap Submit. After hitting Submit, you'll see a success pop-up telling you to head to your print station. Head to the library and go to the print station, enter your library card number or a unique username, and then pay to retrieve your print job.